if I can get this right, because you know I always say, friends, I'm not gonna make any bloopers. I'm just gonna talk naturally. I'm gonna do a great old video. I won't even need to edit. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. We're doing one of my favorite things today, which is opening a Jomar Wholesale mystery box. This box was made for me, I think. This is like a mature women's box. It's actually called, well, it just says brands. Chico's, J. Jill, Eileen Fisher. There's 20 pieces in this box, and it was cheap. This box was $105, but they were having a promotion or a discount, so I only paid $78.75 plus shipping. So I always shop with someone's discount code at Jomar. Mine is The Grateful Queen, all one word, and if you put that in when you go to checkout, you get a discount. I earn credit. It's a win-win. I appreciate anybody who uses my code. I have a ton of Jomar Wholesale unboxing videos on this channel, so if you want to see what some boxes look like, watch some videos and decide for yourself. I always prepare myself with mystery boxes. Sometimes items have flaws, or, you know, it's wholesale, it's mystery box land. Okay, I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years, my friends. I started on eBay and I've always done well with mature women's brands like Talbot's, Style & Co., Chico's, White House Black Market, Coldwater Creek, all those kind of basic mature women's mall brands that are expensive in the stores, I've done really well with. Then, my friends, I learned to cross-post with Vendoo, and now I can take my eBay listings and also put them on Poshmark where I sell. You could also put them on Etsy, Depop, Kidizen, Grailed. They have like 9 marketplaces, so we'll get into that a little bit more. Let's get into the box a little bit, and then I'll talk about how I've grown my business a bit using the cross-listing software Vendoo to cross-list all my stuff. So I'll let you know, like, what do I plan to do with each item. So this is Chico's, and it's a size 1. Chico's does vanity sizing, so a 1 is kind of equivalent to a medium, 2 is a large, 3 is an extra large. This is a jacket though, and that's really great. It's like a blazer. So this is awesome because it's a more substantial piece by Chico's. If this was just a tank top or a t-shirt, it might not sell for as much, but it's a jacket type thing, so that's really great. Another Chico's size 1, this is like a sweater. That's awesome, friends, because I'm filming this in September 2021. I've really got to get on it with my jackets, sweaters, boots, fall, winter stuff. Really, really beautiful. Like a longer length sweater with a really beautiful graphic. So that's really nice. And we've got another Chico's, the Ultimate Tee, size XL. So that's awesome. And this is Supima cotton. So this is a higher quality knit to it. Chico's has a lot of different lines. Oh, look, I see a tiny little hole, and you know what that's probably from? Like the tag, either at the thrift store or even in the store. When they put a tag right through like that, it makes a tiny little hole. So that piece might have to stay with me. Ooh, this is super cute. Look at the pink knit on this. I love selling Chico's, friends. It's just a reliable seller in like the $20 range, give or take, depending on the item. So a Chico's Zero is kind of like a small, this is like a slinky knit, almost like a traveler's. And see, this is the sort of thing I would definitely want to cross-post with Vendoo over to Poshmark, because this, to me, with this bright pink, it has a little bit more of a youthful look. So I could just say, oh, I'm gonna put everything on eBay. That's what I did for years and years. Then a couple years ago, I started using Vendoo, and that allowed me to cross-post everything I had on eBay over to Poshmark. And many of you can expand to other platforms. I'm part-time. If I were full-time, I would be cross-posting to each and every platform, because then you have this one top that you paid for and then you took photos of, so you've invested some time in this top, and why not have the most people that you can looking at your top? The other thing I plan on doing, you guys, I see some sweaters in here, so I'm excited to show you these. The other thing I'm planning to do is, now that we're moving into fall, I've got plenty of fall items that have been sitting in my closet. They did not sell on Poshmark or eBay over the summer months. And so now what I want to do is go in and delete that item and relist it so it shows up as a new item, which all the algorithms, all the platforms love. I know you guys are thinking like Quimby just has a major crush on Vendoo, because I do, but I honestly believe that if there's one thing that you could do to grow your business and get more sales and be more competitive seller is cross-posting. The other stuff's awesome too. Deleting and relisting, love it. But get more eyes on your item. I noticed a huge shift in my sales when I started cross-posting.
Just saying.
Here's another like youthfully looking thing that I want to make sure, and guess what? This one's new with tags. Summer Paisley Canvas Drama Top. This has an asymmetrical hem. It's got bright colors. This one is like a lot of fun. This is J. Jill Italian yarn, so that's really nice. And this is like a sweater dress. Sweater dresses sell so well for me. It's a dark brown. Extra small in a J. Jill is a little bit of a hard sell. I might send this one into Thredup for that reason. Here's another sweater. I wonder if I'll get any Eileen Fisher in the box. Ooh, this is a J. Jill large, so that's awesome. I love selling this. I love this color. Like a turquoise teal long sweater. You guys, I know these aren't like super hot brands, but this is the bread and butter stuff that my business runs on. I do get super hot brands and I really love having a $100 sale here and again, but I like to have a lot of sales. I like flow in my store. I like to keep things moving, and these like $15, $25 sales are what keep my business going. Here's another Chico's piece. This is a blouse. What is this print called? It's like because it's like a bigger plaid window pane. It's called like a window pane. So when I make a listing for this on eBay, I do all my listings on eBay first, just because eBay requires the longest title, the most item specifics. So then when I use Vendoo to import my listings and cross post them over to Poshmark, all the information's already there. So yeah, so I would put Chico's women's top. I'll put the number 1 because some people that shop Chico's, they're used to looking for their size. But then I would also put medium, button down, black and white window pane career blouse, and get that baby sold. Look at this cool velour velvet thing. Wow. I'm a Northern California girl, so I love all this stuff. I mean, give me a little bit of like lace, crochet, romanticness, and I'm all over it. This is cute. This is Travelers by Chico, so this is another line, and it does very well for me. The Travelers collection, I think it's supposed to be like, you can wear it traveling and it's not going to wrinkle and get all messed up, but this is like a kimono or something. Oh, come on. Look at what the top I have on. It's pretty nice. Now, I love kimonos, but whenever I put them on, I think, I don't know if this is great for me. Like, I love seeing women in kimonos. I'm always like, you look fabulous. But then when I put one on, unless I'm at the pool using it as a cover-up, I just don't know how I feel about it. This is a big box. I gotta get going, Quimby. Get yourself moving here, girl. Chico size 2 petite. Oh, I've never seen that. I've never seen them put petite. Look at this baby, though. A long floral maxi. I don't love taking pictures of maxis. I just put them on my mannequin and I just do my best. But I love selling maxis because they sell. I have a huge pile of clothes here, which makes me happy. Did I already share this piece? Wait, did I even share this or did I just get totally distracted? Did I show you guys that this one was new with tags? I don't even know what this is, actually. Oh, it's like another kimono-y type thing. Or a shrug, maybe? Have you been into Chico's store? It is like really expensive. See, I think this looks kind of cool. What do you guys think? Looks like a simpler piece. This is the J. Jill, the perfect tank. But I'm telling you, I can still get like 20 bucks for this because you know what? Some woman has the J. Jill, the perfect tank, and she loves it. And she's going to go on eBay and she's going to be like,
I need to get another one of my perfect tank.
And I'm going to have it. Ooh, and this is the perfect Pima size large. Pima cotton. A much higher quality cotton. This is probably just like a $15, $20 flip. I'm okay with it. Ooh, look at this. Gold crochet kind of sweatery thing. Oh, that's so cute. It's a cardigan. Chico size 0. It's like a gold cardigan. I wish this was a little larger and I could fit in it. Because it's all crochet, open knit.
Nose it. Nose it.
Another Chico's. This is cool though. It's a very long white button-down career blouse. So I would put Chico's women's top 1, and this says size 8-10, no iron stain shield, white button-down career work tunic. Super cute. I bet my clients wish that I got that dressed up for them. So I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. And so I actually like get dressed. I don't have to wear blazers and all that. I guess you call that like career casual. I don't know why I'm sharing that. I just am. Chico's pull on super comfy green lightweight flowy pants. So I got Chico's and J. Jill. I don't think I got any Eileen Fisher in this box. I was sort of hoping, but maybe that would be too good to be true. Another Chico size 2, so that's a large. Stretchy yellow, super soft and comfy top. I bet you this is Travelers. It is Chico's Travelers. You recognize it by this like spandex slinky knit. I sell this stuff all day long. A tank like this I'm probably only gonna get like 12 bucks plus shipping. But the pants I can usually get 20 bucks for. What's this baby? Chico's size 1. Ooh, I might try this baby on. It's like a silky tunic. And it's got a high-low hem, but it's very exaggerated high-low. See that? With slits. This would look so great just with a pair of jeans. It would look all classy and nice. And finally, I have one more tank top by Chico, size 0. I might just keep this one to a black, slinky, spandexy top. I didn't get any Eileen Fisher, a little bit of a bummer there, but I'm so happy with this box because, like I said, and this box was cheap. Like, it was not even expensive. Thanks for staying with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. All right. I did the work, and now I have to see. This is a great box that I can send in. No Eileen Fisher, but... Oh, I didn't stop the video.
Guess not. Remember you.
What can I say about that? I don't know exactly where I want to put the Vendoo part. I love Vendoo. I genuinely, honestly love Vendoo. So, I gotta put it in the right spot, though. Let's start over. Oh, I see. It was a $19.99 flat rate shipping. So, that's awesome. I got a flat rate $19.99 shipping. You should be on Jomar Wholesale's, I shouldn't say should. You might want to be on Jomar Wholesale's. Should I just start this whole video over? I kind of feel like I should because this is craziness. Oh, well, I'll figure it out. This is so, like, I don't know what it is. Like, I know the woman who wears this. Button this baby up so we can see. There's, like, a certain woman that I know, like, I live in Northern California, and I could totally see certain women in this with this color and this kind of, like, crinkly fabric. But that's not quite right, is it? So, ooh, another new with tags. Thank you, Jomar. This retailed for $79, and it's another time for a little sip of water. Okay, I think I like this new way I'm doing it with the box in front. Let me know if you notice. Someone is revving up their motorcycle right outside. When I was doing this video last time, it was like, all of a sudden the neighbors start blowing the leaves and the garbage truck goes by and I'm just like, let's wait for this dude to get on his Harley and go. And you know, you can go out and eat like a big dinner and then just wrap yourself up a little bit and no one's gonna be like, wow, food baby.